Hi to everybody. Hi from Ukraine. We are happy to see you at our webinar session, and we are proud to present you our case in media production, lean implementation in the sphere that is not usually used for lean cases. But we're happy that the company Fabiosa, that is a very big global company right now, used lean instruments for the developing of the productivity and gaining more and more results in the situation that we have right now in Ukraine. And I am really happy to present Kovalenko Volodymyr, Chief Operating Officer of the company Fabiosa. Volodymyr, please present your case, and with your permission, I will interrupt you from time to time. Volodymyr, please present.
Okay, thank you, Sergey. Hello, everyone. My name is Kovalenko Volodymyr. I am Chief Operation Officer at Fabiosa Media. And for the next 20 minutes, we're going to talk about business sector that is definitely new to most of you. It's a digital media world. Today, there are many social media platforms, but the five largest of them are Facebook, 3.1 billion monthly active users, YouTube, 2.5 billion monthly active users, Instagram and WhatsApp, 2 billion monthly active users, and TikTok, 1.7 billion monthly active users. Without going into details, all this audience and all these social platforms algorithm are our client our company. And product our company is video that we published on social media. Let's see what they look like. These are video about kindness. This is beauty video, life hacks, pet grooming, food, and etc. Our company is a digital media publisher in social media platforms. And about us in numbers, we are the third large media publisher in the world in terms of Facebook viewers. We have more than 200 million followers globally, and we generate over 5 billion viral views per month. And our audience spent with us around 2 billion minutes per month. It's a big number, yeah. And yeah, 3.
Yes, super. It's incredible, and it's really important to understand that here we are working with a huge values streams, really, as it is perceived by the media. And please tell us, what can we use from Lean in your sphere? What were the challenges actually that you?
We start with challenges. In 2022-2023, we produced video content. We had our own production studio in Ukraine, in Kyiv, with an area 3,000 square meters. We had own production team, equipment, props, but then war hard started. We moved part of the team to Europe, and we set up new production studio for shooting. This increased the cost of video and other operation cost. Also, at this time, we had challenge from social media. First, our advertising monetization decreased. And secondly, a little later, Facebook changed its algorithm, and we got 13,000 music climbs. But we had all rights on contract for music. And this also affected our revenue. And in the spring 2023, we had next challenge. We had high production and operation cost, and we had low revenue on video. And we had 10 weeks to rebuild or close our company. At the time, our Chief Executive Officer, Olena Lezinkova, was studied Lean methodology, and she started with the basics, with the 5 principles of Lean. What we did first? First, we identified our client. We identified values, and we maps the value stream. And we begin to analyze which process were not available for the client. And strangely enough, content shooting was unnecessary. In other words, we, the production company, had to close down production. Our client doesn't care who shooting the video. What matters to him is that the video is interesting. And that's why we shut down our Ukrainian and European production. We closed production, but we still had to get the video from somewhere. And we understood that we are all creator. All people around the world are creator. Everyone has a phone. Everyone can turn camera and take a video of their funny cat, dog, I don't know, wife, husband. Yeah, and there are many creators in the world who are ready to create video and sell this video. And so we started licensing videos all around the world. At first, it was 50 video per month. After 2 months, it was 150 video per month. And after 4 months, it was 500 licensing video. We stopped shooting content, but we still have other steps production process. The next things we did was to develop standards to each division. We have made a standard operation card for all division. And we paid special attention to our partners who shoot video for us. And this is an example of a standard operation card for our partners. We organize training for them. We shared our expertise with them. We told them how to shoot video rights, because we have big expertise in this area, and it works. It works.
Sorry, Volodymyr, I'll interrupt you, because this was really interesting case for the Ukrainian companies. In our Lean community in Ukraine, we were sometimes discussing what can be called the excessive quality, and one of the types of waste when we do something that is excessive for the clients. And actually this case, when some videos for social media that were previously filmed like a real movie, that was costly for us, that we spent too much money, too much time for this, these actually can be a great example, and we also introduced it in our learning materials as an example of this excessive quality, because sometimes some quality just filmed from the telephone is enough, and it's enough, and then it can make us more profitable, more efficient. Super case, I think. And I also really like this logic of standard operating cards charts that you introduced. And I also say that Olena Ryzinkova that was mentioned, she's a real leader for this company, and she even introduced these charts for some area that were previously not really used for this. For example, creative part for the editors, for writers, who previously told us that no, you are killing our creativity, don't do this with your standardization, it's a totally different logic. No, it was not. And your success with these standards, when you managed to find what was the key in this writing, what was the key secret, it really helped. And I love that you have this case that will convince many of those who are thinking, no, it's not for the creative businesses at all. Don't do this. It will work. Thank you once again, Volodymyr, and your team. It's working great, actually. It's really impressive. Thank you.
Yes, Sergey. Thank you very much. Yes, and when we spoke with production company, they told for us, okay, we buy cheap, expensive camera. We will shooting super raw video content, but our client don't need this. Yeah, it's not important, and we need lower price. We don't need quality, the best quality for this. It is standard. Yeah.
Super.
Okay, move next. Also, to improve in productivity and reduce product cost, we have been actively implementing AI in our process. Today we use AI in all stage our production. The video adaptation stage is fully automated with AI. Sorry. Also, today we have developed our own video recognition system. This system based on AI. This system describes video and helps to quickly find videos by text prompts. This system writes metadata in compliance with specified standard, and this system check video for violation of platform rules. It's check quality. Yeah. And one of the result of the synergy between Lean and AI is reduced lead time on the post-production process from 7 to less than 1 day. The cost of the process was reduced by 10 times. And let's summarize what has changed in general. We closed on production. We increased the base of 500 creators for video licensing. We reduced losses. We standardized processes, and we integrated AI in our processes. What result we have? Number of headcount videos produced per month growth from 0.75 to 10. Total number of new video in posting per month grown from 200 to 500. Number of employees decrease from 270 to 50 employees, and a net profit margin growth from 5% to 43%. Thank you for your attention. If you have questions, please write in chat.
Yes, please write us question in Q&A box or chat. I actually wanted to, before we go to the questions, I wanted to emphasize one interesting thing about the Lean Global Network and about the Lean Global Connection, how it's working like today. This idea of global sharing is really useful. And this case that you see right now is a product of the work of Lean Global Network, because ideas for the trainings for company Fabiosa I brought from Brazil. And I want to say hi and thank you to Lean Institute Brazil, because they showed us the case of company Globo in Brazil. And when I visited them, when I saw the huge impactful results, I was so impressed that I came back to Ukraine, and I was visiting Ukrainian companies, and I was telling them, we need to use this logic. They are super producer in the world, this company Globo. We need to use it in Ukrainian companies. And in some time, I found the company that was willing to use it for the creative business. And I really was thankful to Fabiosa and Olena Ryzynkova. Really, once again, leadership, what Olena is doing, what Volodymyr is doing right now. This is the key to the success. Because when there was first meetings with the writers, especially writers and some creative teams, they were not sure that it's working. They said that, no, we are not robots, we are not automotive, don't bring it here. But not we were convincing, not Lean Institute, but the leaders of the company were really convincing. And after the first results, actually it was even before the invasion started in Ukraine, company already had results in the standardization, and they still had the production, but they were already successful and they had really, really good results. And what was also important, and I later noticed it, companies that were previously prepared before the invasion in Ukraine, they dealt with the war even with a bigger success than before. And this is really interesting. At our local summit, we see the results that some Ukrainian companies, they have bigger results in 2023, 2024, bigger than in 2021, before the invasion. And I love that this specific case is also so representative, because the company is stronger, richer than before. And this is super. There is a question, what happened to 220 employees? Were they redeployed or made redundant? This is a question interesting, but as I understood, those employees that you have in your chart, it meant that you don't have a production. That's why you have less employees. Is it right? That's because of that.
Yes, yes, it's true. And in adaptation board, we had 22, 25 employees, but when we automatize this part of production, yes, part of this employees go to our partner. And it was really good employees, and our partner thanks for us for him, and yeah.
Yes, super. Yes, I understand the logic of this question, that we don't want to fire people,
Yeah.
and we want to create value also for your employees. But what we see right now that partners are beneficial, benefit from this, and this is a super case actually when we have this opportunity for our people also in this logic. I love that you do not stop with what you are doing. I know that lean is still important for the company, and you are not just sitting on your success, and you are presenting new and new instruments and the logic. And actually, I wanted to share one also story of cooperation with company Fabiosa. What I saw and what was so important for us, that their top managers, they were so strict for lean education that we each time saw them on our new belts education, that one training they finished and they go for another, next one, next one, next one. Even we were not proposing them because we were already so happy with the results. We thought that maybe they can go later for our educational program, but they come, and I'm so happy that Volodymyr is a certified lean manager in many belts actually. But this was about the dedication. This was about the logic that we are strict on the lean. We will not stop it. We will not just be happy with some intermediate results. I see the question. Yes, please.
For me, lean is lifestyle. It's normal in my normal lifestyle, and it's
Super. We
okay.
have another question from Andrew Paris. Thank you. Great to see how you have implemented Lean and AI. In my organization, we are trying to get started with both Lean and AI. People seem more excited about AI for sure than Lean, as AI is considered inevitable and the future, but they don't see Lean that way. How do you promote both? Can you say more about the relationship and synergy between Lean and AI? I will start with the answer, yes, because it's typical for many companies that we have right now with the all Lean implementation. And actually doing Lean strategies for the companies, usually they just insert as must project for artificial intelligence implementation. What we see, it should not be some contradicted logic. AI should not cover problems that we have in our organization. Usually what we propose, lean implementation and work with the processes should go before any digitalization, any AI implementation, because we need to understand what processes should be just eliminated. We should not, for example, like in this particular situation, we should not think how artificial intelligence can help us with the production, if production in total should be eliminated. The same with many processes that we have, and this should be our logic as we now considering in Ukraine. Lean, then any digitalization and AI. Volodymyr, what do you see right now in your company? AI is more preferable than lean for the workers because it's easy or not? What do you think?
I think it's not, no, it's not the same. We cannot say we have AI, we don't need lean, or we have lean and we don't need AI. I think it's two different things. Yeah, where we have lean, we have standardized process, we have standardized card, and we can train AI do make this standardized, and we have process metadata creation, and we have standard to metadata creation. Our copywriter can do all right, but sometimes they don't read these rules, and she have mistakes. But when we train AI assistant, we say, and we don't have problem with mistakes. And lean, it's standardized. AI, it's doer. Yeah, it's who makes this.
Yes, actually, you're quite right, because if you give your standard charts for artificial intelligence, it will be more intelligent, as we say. And I
Yes,
like,
yes.
yes, and I like what Julie Walter wrote in our Q&A blog. Could we see AI as a sort of automation that help the people, like the lean pillar, separate human work from machine work? Actually, yes, it can be as additional help in our lean activities. It can make life of workers easier. It should be like, I don't know if it's a proper logic, like karakuri for some hard work. AI can be work for intelligent part of our activities. Actually, our time is finished. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your questions. Volodymyr, thank you very much for your presentation and for the dedication for this project. And I wish a huge success for your company. And please go further with Lean. Do not stop. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Thank you.
Sergey. Thank you, colleagues. Thank you. Bye.
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 Bye. Thank you.